Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your picture that you have added to your BeReal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Here you can see your BeReal that you have posted. If you want to delete it, tap on the three dots icon below the picture and tap on the options button down below in the right side corner and click on delete my BeReal. You should answer the question, why do you want to delete your BeReal? You can find the preset answers. I don't like my BeReal, there was a bug, I can't see anything on my BeReal, inappropriate content, or you can also indicate your own answer by tapping on the other button. Then click on yes, I'm sure after selecting your reason and tap on delete, so your BeReal has been deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.